What's up, everybody? Rivera here. Look at this. My buddy George Perez, aka Mi Estilo Diecast Customs, on YouTube and on Instagram. He sent me this big box of goodies, man. He also included 2 customs. I know about one, and another one he said that he was working on a project and he wanted to send my way. That might blow me away, so we'll see what's up. Nuestro amigo George Perez, Mi Estilo Diecast Custom, está en YouTube y en Instagram. Me mandó esta caja llena de carros y 2 customs también. Ya sé de uno y el otro dijo que era un proyecto, me lo iba a mandar y a ver cómo se ve, man. Tengo la navaja, got the blade. Let's crack this box open. Alright guys, this is a huge box, so I might have to reposition the camera overhead. But there's his YouTube channel, Mi Estilo Diecast Customs. And follow him on Instagram. Check him out. Mi Estilo Diecast Customs. Underscores in the middle. Don't forget that. Okay. Ahí está el YouTube y el Instagram de nuestro amigo George Perez. Pinche caja está grandísima, man. So, la voy a abrir y a lo mejor muevo la cámara. Yeah, this thing was huge. So, here we go. Let's see what's in here. First, well, he sent me some real raiders. I'm gonna lay everything out on the table, like I said, and then we'll go over everything. Me mandó unos Honda Cities, so I can do some customs. Some Lucy's customs, probably. Ooh, look at the color on that one. Oh man, I know what this one is. And here's the one that, actually I know what this one is, not the other one. Send me some wheels. Send me some styrene that I can't find in my area. Híjole, aquí está otro custom. Voy a poner todo en la mesa. Híjole, man. Here it is, man. Finally. 90 Honda Civic EF. This is a Kmart K-Day color exclusive. B case. Man, no me tocó one of these, man. So here it is. Thank you very much. Some Toyota Supras. Matchbox. Here's a CRX that I don't have on display. I'm gonna crack this one open. Lo voy a abrir. Skyline for a custom. Pontiac GTO Judge tuned. Send me a bunch of Skylines. Look at that. You know, it's a trip. This one's like a blistered variation, I think it is. See how this one's regular and this one has like a groove right here. So who knows, man. Lo mejor es una variación de esa. Acura Integra GSR. Another one. This one I don't have. Honda S2000 del 2012 series. Yeah, buddy. Here's another one from 2013, I think it is. Yeah, 2013 Honda Civic Honda S2000, perdón. Honda Civic EF, so I was looking at these. Another Acura Integra GSR. So los voy a poner a un lado. This one I know, it's another Skyline. I know he was sending this one. This one I don't have, George. Ah, su madre. Yes. Datsun Bluebird 510 from Cool Classics. Love that copper finish. Sí, base de metal base. Thank you, sir, man. Thanks, carnal. This one I don't have. It's going straight to my display. Honda S2000. Another one from the Cool Classics. Lo abro después. There's a little series of this release from just those 5. And just a bunch of Skylines that he was getting rid of. So I'm gonna do some customs. Puro Skyline. That's it right there. Put all that to the side and let me lower the camera and see what's in here. Okay, he sent me some wheels, and he sent me this this little thing right here. I'll explain what this is in a bit. Let's see what's in here. Vamos a ver qué hay aquí. Oh, custom, just a wheel swap. No, it's a custom. White. Nissan Fairlady. Así está suave. White wheels. Nice little matte finish. Pretty cool. Next. Oh, look at the finish on this one, man. The flash sighter. Unreal. I'm gonna take these out in the sun, man. Lo vamos a llevar ahorita afuera para que se vea abajo del sol. Increíble pintura, man. Es un flash sighter. Base de metal. 56 flash sighter. We'll go outside right now in a bit. Next. Oh man, an S2000. Same color as the flash sighter. Yeah, man, ya nomás. Honda S2000. Look at this, dude. I gotta go outside and put it under the sun. We'll see right now. Next. This is the one I know of. Oh, look at this one, man. Let's open this one first. Unbelievable, George. Your paint jobs are just too much. Oh, this one came off a little bit. Oh, still on. 83 Chevy Silverado. Again, I'm gonna put this under the sunlight right now in a bit. This comes in a little acrylic case. Thank you for this one. Oh, here's the special one. So let's open this one. This one, I believe he showed in his Instagram. Anything that he posts on his Instagram, he sends me a picture of. So I just told him to keep me in the loop. And I showed my wife, and she just fell in love with this color. Just like those, man, but just on an 83 Silverado. Look at that. I have to show this under the sun. Vamos a ver ahorita cómo se ve. Abajo, afuera. And the last piece. He said he was working on a custom project, and he wanted to send me one. Wow, dude. Ain't no más. There's a gasser. 55 Chevy gasser. Chevy Bel Air gasser. But it's dropped. What? Here we go. Wow. Custom base. That's where this comes from. I guess you just use this little jig right here to make a base. Holy moly, dude. Ya nomás. Increíble, George. Let's go see this under the sun. Alright guys, so I came outside just to see the finish on these shiny things, man. Here's the Nissan Fairlady. Has a matte white finish. I have an idea for this one, so I think that was your intention, huh, George? You guys will see. It'll take me some time because I need to order some paint. There's that one. Aquí está el flash sighter. I couldn't pick a better day, man. Today's just nice and sunny. Look at that. 56 flash sighter. Yeah, buddy. Unbelievable paint. Really, really nice. And here is the Honda S2000. Don't even ask George what color this is because he won't tell you. Wow. And nomás, then we got these real riders. And it's screwed back together. Legit. Ese sí está de lujo, man. Este es uno que me mandó. Yo nomás. 83 Chevy Silverado. Ni le pregunten al George qué color es porque no te va a decir. Unbelievable, man. Yes, sir. Beautiful, dude. Beautiful. Blue. The presentation on these acrylic cases is just really nice, carnal. I appreciate that. Here is the other 83 Chevy Silverado. Unbelievable finish, man. Unreal. Beautiful, dude. Sí te aventaste, man. La presentación que tiene con estas cajitas de acrílico también se ve bien bonito, man. Nice. And last but not least, este custom gasser, you nomás. This is freaking nice, dude. Nice. It's screwed onto the thing so it won't fall off. But the finish is just beautiful, dude. That's it. Custom decals, custom paint, custom suspension, custom wheels, custom everything, dude. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful custom right here, man. I'm telling you, if you guys are not following George on his Instagram, mi estilo diecast customs with _ go and check out his Instagram. He sells customs too. Unbelievable, man. Thank you, carnal, for these customs. I really appreciate that, and the goodie box too, man. Go ahead and subscribe to his channel. Same deal. Mi estilo diecast customs on YouTube. All right, there's my bird. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll pull these out so I can finish. Give a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, man. I'll leave you with that. Tengan bonito día, amigos. Gracias por mirar el video. Regálame un like. Have a good day, everybody. I'll talk to you guys later.